Hello, speaking Task5 English Level 2. My name is Luisa Cardona. I am 20 years old. I live in Bogota. I like cats. I like to read a bike. I like to read. I love environment engineering. My trip experience in thermales of Huasca. Experience of trip. In January I went work abroad to the hot spring of Huasca, 2 hours from the city of Bogota. There I was with my family and my boyfriend. We were in the pool of warm water. We stayed a night. It is quite cold. The place is not expensive. The food drinks and stay were economical. We really enjoyed the place. They are very beautiful, like cats, and they have usuals Pamela water. Night tips. You must wear a bathing cap of boot deter. It is recommended to take comfortable clothes for the trip. You must wear a coat. You must drink of drinks at night is very cold. You should not wear light colored bathing suits. The thermal water can damage tea. Shouldn't show the board. You must bring repellent if you stay in camp. It is recommended to go with a company and enjoy a lot. It is also a very clothing place. You only have to have 18 value entry. Double-click and edit. You go to the hot spring of Huasca. Enjoy the place a lot. It is a place to rest. Bye.